Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Advanced Glider X-Pi. Your adventure begins by heading towards the northern summit, a challenging area known for its extreme conditions. It's crucial to prepare for both freezing temperatures and limited oxygen. Before you embark, make sure to acquire a basic oxygen tank to help you survive the harsh environment. This initial preparation is key to a successful journey. As you ascend the northern summit, follow the marked paths that lead to the glacial grotto. Along the way, you'll encounter various camps with essential resources. Use campfires to restore your warmth and prevent your temperature from dropping too low. Additionally, keep an eye out for oxygen refill stations to replenish your supply, ensuring you can continue your climb safely. Upon reaching the highest point of the northern summit, you'll find the glacial grotto, often referred to as the fifth camp. Look for an area with 2 orange tents and a campfire. The Advanced Glider X-Pi will be prominently displayed nearby. To acquire it, simply interact with the glider and purchase it for 2,500 in-game cash. It's a straightforward transaction once you arrive. Once purchased, equip your Advanced Glider X-Pi from your inventory. You'll immediately notice its superior performance compared to a standard glider. It offers significantly faster flight speeds and enhanced stability, even in challenging conditions. This upgrade allows you to traverse vast distances quickly and reach areas that were previously out of reach, greatly expanding your exploration possibilities.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.